Safety Management Group is a professional services company. We have 220 team members. We provide services to the construction, healthcare, utilities, manufacturing, pharmaceutical industry.
Technology is difficult for some to grasp anyway. And when you're talking about having 7 different systems with 7 different logins and the nuances that go with each of those, it became difficult for a lot of our folks in the field to be able to adapt and be able to be efficient.
We had converted from manual expense reports to Concur, but that also had to be exported and journalized into Sage. F9 was a software that helped extract data from Sage into Excel.
A lot of manual calculations. There were no good reports that came out of the system, and it literally was just a data nightmare.
Safety Management Group was solving each business problem one at a time. A lot of times what you see when you do that is disparate systems, a lot of duplication throughout the organization. Acumatica was the logical choice.
Working with the team at Somerset was wonderful. They were very supportive during implementation and really have just been able to help us bring the product to life.
As an owner of the business, it's really nice to see the dashboards, to understand where you're sitting from an age receivable standpoint, where your cash flow's at.
It's a much more efficient process versus me asking, hey, can you run me this report or that report? I can see utilization right at my fingertips. It just kind of tells the story of how we're doing with respect to our clients. When the pandemic hit, we immediately reassigned all of our team to their home bases.
We are in 37 states currently.
Without the Acumatica solution, we would have been in a world of hurt as it related to our timekeeping, our accounting processes. We didn't really miss a beat.
We were able to save about $50,000 just out of the gate. That's just licensing, right? And that doesn't even consider the fact that had we stayed in the legacy software, we probably would have had to add a person.
Acumatica helps us become more efficient through time and expense management, the accounting, and then tying the CRM into all of that.
If we weren't using Acumatica, I wouldn't be here right now doing this, because today's payroll, I would be freaking out that I'm not at home.
It's allowed the employees at Safety Management Group to not worry about the administration and allowed them to focus what's core to their business, which is safety and saving lives.